Hello everyone friends, you are on the Franklin Trade channel. Today in this video I will show you how I conduct market analysis in real time. Many people ask me how I do my analysis, how I analyze the market and what guides me in my trading. So this video is for you. Here I will explain how I do my analysis and what guides me. First, we need to choose the currency pairs with the highest payout percentages. Then we will move to TradingView for a more detailed and thorough analysis. It is very important to conduct a detailed analysis to understand where the market is heading and what trading situations might occur, as well as to understand how you will handle them. We have selected a large number of currency pairs and we have the highest payout percentage, so let's go in order. Let's start with the euro dollar. The euro dollar looks quite good to us. We see a clear trend which we immediately mark with a trend line. Here we are not making any mistakes. We also note our previous price high in this context and can also mark another previous price high point as well. Here we have a small range in which the price is moving in this particular scenario. The price has updated its high, but the volumes have slightly decreased. As you can clearly see, the volumes have been very weak lately, which means the market might reverse. Similarly, at any moment, other participants can enter the market, increasing the volumes and thereby moving the price in one direction or another. Let's look further. British pound, Japanese yen. There is a clear downward trend and we also have a small range in which the price is moving. Essentially, this is a sideways movement with a support level and a resistance level. Here we can work up to the resistance level, and after it is pierced or broken we can try to take a short position, because very often the price moves cyclically and returns back to our range. Therefore we are currently opening a long position so that the price approaches the resistance level a bit. Moving on, the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen looks like a triangle. I don't trade triangles and I don't recommend you do either, because it's not always clear where the price will break out, as it can go either up or down. Therefore, this situation is somewhat unworkable. Let's see what we have next. Euro dollar, Euro Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Everything looks very interesting and there are volumes on each currency pair, at least on the 5-second time frame. Let's take the Euro Japanese yen. Here we also have some sideways movement. It is evident that the price was moving very slowly at the moment. And similarly, we have formed a support level and a resistance level. We have already bounced off the support and are gradually moving upwards. Let's see what happens next. We can also observe that assets with the Japanese yen look exactly the same. On one hand, this is beneficial because we can predict movements on two currency pairs, but on the other hand, it's bad because they lack independent movement. The dollar Swiss franc looks terrible, and additionally, the Australian dollar Swiss franc also looks terrible. There are no volumes on even a 5-second time frame, so we simply exclude them from our list of considerations. We are left with only 4 currency pairs which will be traded today. Also, don't forget that we trade on my Telegram channel. I have a group there where we make money, share signals, provide training and more. Similarly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video a bit and leave comments. And for those who want to earn a little extra, there's always a $200 contest in my group. Come in, read and participate. As we can see, after opening positions on the British pound and Japanese yen currency pair, the price corrected slightly downward but then moved upward with an impulsive movement. In the meantime, our position closes in profit. This means our analysis was correct and we did everything right. Alright, let's continue our analysis. Remember that the British pound, Japanese yen has a support level and a resistance level. We were somewhere in the middle of this range and moving towards the resistance level. Essentially, this is happening right now. The price has almost reached the first resistance level, and I really want to open a position specifically for a very slight decrease. However, we will open it on the Euro Japanese yen because the price has come quite close there. This is very good. Gradually over time, the price might probably increase a little bit more and then we will be near the mirror level. There will definitely be a reversal. Additionally, you can use the RSI indicator. It will show you the overbought and oversold zones. RSI works especially well when the market is moving sideways. But relying solely on an indicator in your trading is indeed, frankly speaking, not a great idea because indicators often lie, especially when divergences appear. An indicator can show you 3 or 4 incorrect entry points before a reversal happens, so you really need to keep this in mind always. Ideally work without indicators, focusing solely on price movement. Meanwhile, the price is falling downwards and exactly at almost that point of our entry, the price closes with a profit. As we can see, the price indeed bounced off from first resistance level before it went downwards. There was very small correction from level which I expected. It is approximately equal to 25%. Ideally, it would have been perfect if we had entered at a 30% correction. Nevertheless, the price continues to gradually and steadily rise, so I decide to open positions for a potential and significant increase. In fact, because the market is cyclical, it constantly grows, corrects, and this process continues endlessly. You just simply need to feel the market and work with it, not against it. You need to follow the price movement and understand the price and the market. Once you learn this, trading will undoubtedly become just an absolutely favorite job for you. And if you're still working at a job you don't like and would like to earn a little extra money for yourself, then welcome to my Telegram channel, where we trade and make money. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. I read and respond to all of them. Don't forget about the weekly contest in my open group. Meanwhile, the Euro-Japanese yen is correcting downwards, and at the very last moment, the price impulsively rises upwards, closing our position in profit. The market has moved into a sideways trend. Friends, thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.